Hi, Lauren.
Hello.
How are you?
I was all right, and now I'm like...
Are you overwhelmed?
Yeah, a little bit.
This is the point, Lauren, where the competition really starts. And you've got to start thinking now as a competitor. So this is a great chance to show off.
Okay.
Great.
I don't wanna rain on this parade, but I'm starting to question the love that was made. I'm not looking for just an affair. I want a love that is based on truth, not just dare. If you love me, if you trust me, if you want me, if you need me, if you love me, if you trust me, if you want me, if you need, if you want me, I don't wanna rain on this parade.
I said she was good then. She mucked the lyric up.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. If you want to make sure to catch all the latest X Factor videos, don't forget to subscribe.